Your phone is secretly wasting storage space and you don't even know it. In this video, I will show you the hidden cache you must delete right now to free up your massive phone memory space instantly. It also boosts your Android performance. Open your phone setting. Tap on About Phone. Now go to Storage. Now tap on Free up storage. Now go to Uninstall apps. From here, you can see the largest application on your phone. For my case, Facebook, Messenger, TikTok and Instagram consume huge phone memory. So now go back, find out apps, go to apps, tap on Manage apps. In this search box, search your massive application or your large application. And I search my largest application like Facebook. Go to Facebook, tap on Storage, click on Clear Data. Now tap on Clear Cache. In this way, you can clear your cache data from your largest application. Now go back to your home screen. If your phone has pre-installed system application called Security, tap on Security. Now see the option Cleaner, tap on here. And from here, you can clear the temporary file and cache and also your junk file from your entire phone. So simply clean up, and it also helps to clear your cache data and your junk file from your entire system. If you do this of any Android phone, it instantly boosts your phone performance and free up your phone space.